I do not know what to call this philosophy or religion or belief or whatever it is, because this is a very specific belief. And I don't really want to call it a philosophy or a religion. It's just common sense. It's just simple facts to me. So anyways, nature is the supernatural creator. It's all supernatural. The natural and the supernatural. It's all supernatural. It's all from the supernatural. Now, I'm saying that nature itself is the source, the creator, the God thing. But people say Mother Nature or Father God. They are both wrong. Nature is like our mom and dad at the same time. Because nature creates males and females from itself. See, the males and the females are from the same source. So the source is like both of them at the same time. Nature has done way more for you than any single person ever has, would, did, all of that. So, now, nature is a living thing. Nature is a living thing. All of it. And in science class, they even teach us that we are made of nature. And nature still seems foreign to everyone. Why is that? I'll tell you why right now. For example, if you were in a village like in old times, and you seen these houses made of wood, and then you see the trees that are also wood right next to the houses, right? So in ancient times, it was way more obvious that everything is one, because in ancient times you would see houses made of wood right next to the trees that are made of wood. So it's like, well, what is a house really? It's a tree, right? So what I'm saying is everything is made of nature, but technology has gone too far, and so now, even though everything is made of nature, all of the materials come from nature, right? Even though now, even though everything is made of nature, everything, it looks like something other than nature. See? Even though this is made of nature, natural materials, like everything, even though this is made of nature, it looks like something other than nature. See? Because technology it goes way too far. Now, so what I'm saying is, like, the advancement of technology is not progression, it's actually regression. Now, if you notice, if you have noticed this correlation of when technology became more and more advanced, people got less and less spiritual. Why? It's because now they're distracted by all of this stuff that doesn't look like nature, but it really is nature. But they're distracted by the how things look, and a lot of things don't look like nature anymore. So now they're living in a more unnatural way, or not unnatural because everything's made of nature, but they're living in a non-harmonious way with nature because they're calling themselves humans instead of nature. They're calling everything, they're calling objects, objects instead of nature. They're calling, see, you see what's going on here? So, I know what a lot of people are thinking too. They're thinking, but Greg, a spear is a form of technology. So where do you draw the line, Greg? Where do you draw the line? How much technology is too much? I don't know. Figure it out. It's pretty damn obvious. We should try to be as natural as possible. I mean, shouldn't we? Shouldn't we? We should try to be as in harmony with nature as possible. And I have been for most of my life, which is probably why I've been so lucky. But it's not really luck. It's just being aligned with the truth. So let's go through this again. Nature is the supernatural source. All of nature is immortal. Nature itself is a living thing. We are nature. We are made of nature. Science tells us that we are made of nature. And nature still seems foreign to a lot of people. And I just explained why. It's because there's so much stuff now that is made of nature that doesn't look like nature, right? So it's fucking with your mind. It's very deceptive, even though it's this obvious fucking thing. Now, they say Mother Nature or Father God. Those are both wrong. Nature is like our mother and father at the same time. Because nature creates males and females from itself. See? So, I mean, that thing has to be both. Nature has to be both, right? Just like how on the smaller scale, you are from your mom and your dad. So you are made of your mom and your dad, which means you can't be 100% a man or 100% a woman. Now, anyway, and then, yeah, I mean, like I said before, too, it was more obvious in ancient times that everything was one, because you would see houses made of wood and then trees made of wood right next to those houses. So it was way more obvious that everything was nature in ancient times. And that's why people were more spiritual when there was less technology. You see? Now you know what the fuck's going on. Now you know what's really going on. I don't know what to call this philosophy or religion or belief. I think I just want to call it the truth. Because there are other philosophies out there that worship nature, but I don't want to worship anything, because that's bowing down to it. I want to be one with it. You see what I mean? So this is not some kind of nature worship. It's actually just the truth. I'm just telling you facts. You know, I'm just telling you like the truth of, you know, what the divine creator is and what everything is, you know. I'm just telling you what that is. So yeah, I mean, and then these other nature philosophies and religions have like all these different gods and this and that, and it's like, no, this is what I'm saying is way more simple and way more true. It's like, it's all just nature. And yeah, it's supernatural. And yeah, it's the creator, you know. I mean, see, this point of view in this video, my point of view, is the simplest and most accurate. For God's sakes, they fucking tell you in science class, they show you in science class that you are made of nature. And then you're still thinking it's this fucking foreign thing. It's not fucking foreign. It's not like we came from somewhere else. You know what I mean? It's not fucking foreign. So, yeah, so I guess I just revealed everything just now, didn't I? I just revealed everything to you. Now you can stop feeling fucking alienated. You can stop feeling separate from the creator. You know. It's all nature. It's all nature, you know. But technology went too far. It's going too far. And we'll probably have to start over for, what, the billionth time? How many times do we got to do this? Can we just be as natural as we fucking can? Can we just try to do that? You know? Can we just try to fucking do that? Because then you're being in harmony with what is. You're being in harmony with nature. Which is reality. And truth is reality, right? So I'm just saying the truth. Don't make a fucking religion out of this. I guess that's all I have to fucking say right now.